prior to incorporation, true or false? Profits prior to incorporation are not available for dividend and must be transferred to capital reserve. True. For calculating the profit or loss prior to incorporation, date of commencement of business is the relevant date in the case of a public limited company. False. Because date of commencement is not relevant, date of incorporation is relevant. Preliminary expenses must be apportioned on time basis to the pre-incorporation and post-incorporation periods. False. Preliminary expenses are specific expense, specifically related to post-incorporation period. Hence, you cannot apportion on the basis of time. The profit made on acquisition of business is credited to general reserve. False. The profit made on acquisition of business is credited to profit and loss account, that is, you will have to transfer it to net profit. For ascertaining pre-incorporation profits, administration expenses are apportioned in the sales ratio. False. It is apportioned on the basis of time. Profit after incorporation are capital profit. False. It is revenue profit. If sales is not given, gross profit should be allocated between pre and post equally. False. It should be divided in time ratio. Assuming gross profit is distributed evenly throughout the year. Time ratio is the ratio of number of months before and after incorporation. True. Profit prior to incorporation is transferred to profit and loss account. False. It should be transferred to capital reserve. Profit after incorporation is transferred to profit and loss account. True. Interest of vendor is allocated in the ratio of time. False. Interest of vendor is a specific expense and you will have to transfer it to pre-incorporation period. Preliminary expenses are allocated on the basis of sales ratio. False. Again, preliminary expenses are specific expense, you will have to transfer into post period. Advertisement expenses are allocated on the basis of sales ratio. True. Depreciation are allocated on the basis of time ratio. True. Loss prior to incorporation is charged to profit and loss account. False. Loss prior to incorporation is to be transferred to goodwill. Thank you.